Today we will be adding this bumper protector to my XC60, and this bumper already has some scuff marks, as you can see, all over the rear bumper. So we'll put this bumper protector to cover the scuff marks up and also to protect our bumper from further damage. That will do, I guess. And now we're going to mark it. And there we have it. The bumper protector is installed. Very quick, very easy to do, and it looks quite nice also. This is the original one from Volvo. If you are interested in one of those, this is the part number for it. And please like and subscribe for more videos like these. Thanks.